Before we begin, here are a few gentle reminders for anyone new to meditation. Start small, even a few minutes can shift your whole day. Sit comfortably. Comfort matters more than posture. Let thoughts come and go. Wandering is normal. Use simple counting. Numbers help keep the mind steady. Be gentle with yourself. Meditation is a practice, not perfection. Take a slow breath in and let's begin. Counting breath is a simple technique where you count each inhale and exhale up to 10 and then begin again. It gives your mind a gentle structure, something steady to follow, while keeping your attention anchored into your breath. Your mind naturally wanders. Counting gives it a soft, repetitive task that reduces mental noise and strengthens focus. It helps beginners stay present, reduce overthinking, build concentration, and maintain rhythm. It's one of the easiest ways to stay anchored during meditation. Sit comfortably. Let your shoulders soften. Let your hands rest gently in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Begin noticing your breath, the rise and the fall, the inhale and the exhale. On your next inhale, silently count 1. On your exhale, count 2. Continue up to 10 and then gently start again. Let's practice together. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Let the numbers move with your breath. Let them guide your rhythm. Let them soften your mind. Inhale 5. Exhale 6. If your thoughts wander, simply return to the next number. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Feel your breath slowing. Feel your body settling. Feel your mind quietening. Inhale 9. Exhale 10. Begin again gently. No rush. No pressure. Just breathe. Take one more slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Bring to mind one small thing you're grateful for today. Your breath, your presence, your ability to pause. Let that gratitude settle softly into your chest. You've just completed your counting breath meditation. Have a beautiful day. If you found this helpful, I'm always here for you. Peace, hope, clarity.